In this demonstration, we will install the N-Central agent. To download the agent software for an existing customer, click the Actions submenu and select Download Agent/Probe. A link at the top of the page accesses online help that identifies the operating systems that accept the agent installation. Select the customer or site from the drop-down. Click on the file to download. Download the installer file on the target device, then open and run the file. Follow the steps in the install wizard to complete the installation of the agent.